us die. I just need some time. Baby girl, ease my mind. I don't wanna crash. Both of us die. I don't wanna crash in love. I don't wanna crash in love. I don't wanna crash in love. And both of us die. I don't wanna crash in love.
Did that transition work? I don't know, we'll see when I edit, but let's go get some coffee now, finally. My room's a mess. Lovely.
I just need some time. Baby girl, ease my mind. I don't wanna crash. And both of us die. I just need some time. Baby girl, ease my.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I just got ready after that whole process. Today I decided to vlog, show you guys just a fall day because it's officially fall. I'm being one of those like basic girls, but I don't care. It's just so much fun. Love the weather. It's finally getting cold out. It's like nice and windy today, so I'm excited. I wanted to get Chipotle today, but because I have the free Chipotle, because I eat there all the time, they give me the free Chipotle whatever coupon. I don't know. So I might get that for dinner because I'm not really hungry right now. But yeah, my room's still a mess. It's disgusting. Am I gonna clean it up? Nope. But should I? Yeah, I should. Be sure to subscribe down below for new videos every Sunday. Like this video if you are ready for fall and the cold weather because summer is freaking stupid. Shop my presets. I released a bundle, which is so cool. So you know, it's all my 3 OG packs in one and you can get it. The link is down below for you guys to go check that out. And yeah, let's just get on to this video. Okay, so I really want to talk about my outfit real quick because I'm kind of obsessed with it and it's really nice and trendy and Pinteresty, if that makes sense. So yeah, basically I have this black top from Walmart. It's literally the kids section, nice and cropped and really cute. And then I have this like vintage white polo sweater actually from my dad's closet. So we love that. And then I have these white pants. They're from my mom's closet. So, you know, we love a little vintage look today. And then my jewelry, let me tell you about it. I'm so excited. Thank you to Ana Luisa for actually sending me these pieces. Ana Luisa is a jewelry company based in New York. They make their jewelry with 100% recyclable gold, which is insane, and that's so great. Like, love that. Like, we need to help our environment. So I've been trying to shop more sustainable, and they are actually 100% sustainable, and that's what their company is about, which I stand for. I love that for that. I love that. So that's even amazing for the environment. God knows we need to be better with our environment, our earth, because a lot of stuff is going on that's, you know, not great. California fires and all that kind of stuff. So quality, oh my god, let me talk to you about the quality. This is some next level like quality. It's so good. They just feel like so fancy and so high end, and their prices start from $39 to more higher end prices. So if you are on a budget, there's literally something on that website for everyone. So when you order something off the website, you get it in these cute little pouches, which I'm so obsessed with. They're like nice and suede, and I love the color. My mom's literally obsessed with it. She's like, I'm gonna take them. I'm like, okay, sure. Let's talk about these pieces that I got. So this first piece is this actually a collaboration with a YouTuber that I watch. Her name is Yusuf, and I'm obsessed with her. It's so cute and dainty, but like minimal, but like edgy, if that makes sense, all in one. And the quality is amazing, of course, and it is like a little chain necklace, and then in the middle it says BU, which is in her handwriting, which is so cool. The necklace is starting at $59. I love it. It literally just makes my outfit just so much more put together. I've also found out that you can have like such a basic outfit, but what really ties it in together is the jewelry, the accessories. Like, it makes it just 100% more trendy and cool, and you look like you have your life together, basically. Because God knows I don't have my life together, but you know, it looks like I do. Next thing I got are these hoops, y'all. I'm so obsessed with these hoops. They're just a staple piece, and this might sound weird, but they're like the perfect thickness, if that makes sense. Like, I have hoops that are a little too thick, which I'm like, yo, back it up. Like, I can't, that's too much for me. But then I have hoops that are also a little too thin where you can't even see what I'm wearing. So these are literally like the perfect amount of thickness, which sounds so weird, but It's true. And I love them so much. The quality, y'all, is amazing. I love it. It looks so expensive and nice. These are starting at $55. They go with every single season. They never are out of style. It's always a trend. I finally have a nice and good quality pair of like earrings. So I'm really trying to shop more sustainable and not fast fashion. And then the last piece that I got is this moonstone, which is so cool. It's for my birthday month, which is June, if you guys didn't know. And it's this necklace that's actually double-sided, which is so cute. And on the front it has this, like, it says June birthstone coin. The middle part has like a little pearl, which is like the jewel for June. Yeah, I forgot my birthday month. And then on the back it just says June birthstone coin, but it has a number 6 on the back, which is so cute and I love it. And I wear this one all the time because it's just like nice and literally goes with everything. And the moonstone necklace starts at $75. Thank you, Anna Luisa, for sending me these pieces. And you guys can actually use my discount code, which is Nomani10 at checkout to get 10% off your purchase. We love saving money. We love discount codes. So use that. The link is in my bio. You guys can go shop. That's it for my outfit. I'm freaking obsessed with it, y'all. But yeah, now let's go and get some pics. I'm freaking excited. You know, always ready for the gram. And this picture is, I mean, this outfit is really Insta worthy. So I look so preppy and bougie. I look like someone about to go golfing or play tennis. I don't know, but yeah, let's go. Tennis court, taking pictures. Okay. Yeah, the bench one was, I think, the best.
Because I saw it from the bed.
So I just took some tennis court pics in the fit. Oh, that looks good. We got some good pics though, low key. No, I did see it. But yeah, fit check. I'm not actually playing tennis. I just wanted the pic. What is happening? Fun fact, I played tennis in high school. I'm out of shape. You can't do this. I don't suck at tennis, it's the shoes. I'm wearing these like freaking huge whatever. I don't actually suck at playing tennis, trust me. I was great at it sometimes. I was great at it sometimes.
I got words.
Okay, can I get a pumpkin cream cold brew, a grande?
Yeah, grande pumpkin cream cold brew. What else can I get for you?
That's it.
Alright, here's some. You want what?
Where are you at, Starbucks?
Yeah.
Too late, Dad.
Too late. You too late.
No, please, where are you at, Starbucks?
Well, did you not just see me order?
Yeah, I know, because you just asked.
Well, you called too late, so...
I knew you guys were going somewhere.
No!
I want a tropical smoothie. You want a smoothie?
What do you want? Troubles really? Can you give me something, please?
You want a smoothie? Oh, there's a Starbucks and Target.
Okay, let me Starbucks.
What is it?
It's a pumpkin cream cold brew. I had it once at work. It's so good. It's good. You can take my youth away. Oh, I love this song. That was kind of rude. I just got my pumpkin cream cold brew, my first pumpkin cream cold brew of the season. I'm so excited. I love this. I tried it last year at work. Oh my god, this is amazing. I love it so much. It's just fall in a cup. That's literally what it is, and it's amazing. I'm just enjoying my Starbucks, and we're just gonna have a fall day. Love it. And what do I mean by that? I don't know, because the only fall thing that probably is gonna happen in this video is just this cup of coffee. So, love how Starbucks has, I think, like, officially kind of gotten rid of the straws. So now you just get this little sippy cup. What is it called? Or Target.
put in solid and stuff to make it bigger.
This is so folly back here. Oh my god, I just said folly. What the heck?
I want a candle.
Yeah, but you're not getting a candle. We don't need a candle.
Okay.
I forgot I can't even drink this. I was like, wait, I can't drink it.
Open and drink. I only have Apple Pay though. I didn't bring my card.
Oh my god, do they really have Christmas stuff already? What? Here's Ad. You're welcome. Oh my god, I just came back from like Target, Michael's, wherever the heck I went. I don't even remember. But I'm editing my pictures and they look so good. So good. They're literally so cute. I love them. And they came out really well, so we love that. Be sure to check out the gram and show some love on my pictures. I mean, you don't have to, but like if you want to, that's great too. Y'all, I posted this on my story when it happened, but let me tell you about it because here's a little story time of what happened to my freaking pants. Hold up, let me put you guys somewhere. Found these linen pants, which are so cute, and I wore them and I was like, yo, that's really cute. It's my mom's old like pants. She hasn't worn it like in a long time. It had like stains on like the front, so I was like, yo, we can't do that. So I was telling my mom, I was like, yo, like I need to bleach them so I can like take it out or like get the stuff out or whatever. And she's like, yeah, just put like a little and then like let it soak for an hour or whatever. I was like, okay, yeah, sure. So I go into the bathroom to do that, come back an hour later, I take it out of the bleach and then I put it in the wash so I can wash it so it like looks better and the smell is gone. I come to put it in the dryer. Y'all, my pants, like, what is this? Like, they ripped. Like, I can rip this right now. Like, I'm so sad. They were so cute and now they're just ruined, and my family just started making fun of me. They're like, how much bleach did you put? Like, are you dumb? Like, what the heck is that? And I almost passed out literally from like putting the bleach in there. I was like, yo, this is not safe for me. I need to stop. Love my life. These were so cute. My friend just released a song and it's so good. I'm obsessed with it. It's so catchy. I'm literally listening to it all the time. Go check it out. I'll put a link in my bio. It's on all platforms so you guys can like stream it and everything. It's so good. But let me show you just a snippet of it. You probably heard it in the beginning of the video as well too. It's so good. I'm obsessed with it and you guys will be too. Literally add it to your playlist. It's so good. It's called Crash in Love by Christian Lemos and it's amazing. Just wanted to put that out there. Also, I'm about to go get Chipotle. I am starving, so it's about to hit different. So that's how you know it's gonna be good because when you're really hungry, it just hits like so different. But I have to go take the dishes out before I go, so yeah, let's do that. Also, I've literally been taking, it's been like, I don't know, 30 minutes, probably an hour actually, for me to figure out which way to post it. I've made so many drafts on my Instagram because I don't know which picture I like more as the cover picture, and it's just crazy. I don't even know why this is getting in my head, but if this happens to you too, it happens to me all the time. Yeah, I literally have so many drafts of the same amount of pictures, just like you rearrange like in 200 ways. Oh god, what Instagram does. We're at the ChickfilA curbside pickup and we're getting some dinner. I'm getting Chipotle, but she's getting,
I didn't eat anything except for a bagel.
yo, I didn't eat anything except coffee.
A bagel.
So
and I'm doing my
this
nails.
is bad. I can't do that. Did I do it? Secured the bag. I just go home. I'm comfy now. We have my Chipotle. We are about to devour this. Let's make a little stand. I'm so excited. I haven't had Chipotle in like actually 2 months. That is very new for me. You guys, this looks heavenly. We're gonna put it in my thing. Look at that. That looks amazing. Wow, that is so good. Oh my god, I might cry. That's so dramatic. Oh my god, now I'm gonna watch a show that my friend recommended and eat my Chipotle, guys. Go right now and get Chipotle. Just go get it, you know? Like, frick it. Also, question. Comment down below if you have Chipotle. If you had Chipotle, do you eat it like from one side and then go there, or do you like mix it? I just kind of dig in. I don't mix it, so mine would be the first option. Okay, it's like a few hours later now and I'm gonna time lapse because this is a mess, and we're gonna clean it up and see how satisfying it is afterwards, because it's gonna be very satisfying, trust me.
Ryan Little.
And just like that, my room is clean. There's not junk on my floor, on my bed, or anything. We love that. I am going to end the video here. I hope you guys liked it. Please be sure to check out Ana Luisa and all their amazing jewelry they have, and be sure to use my discount code SarahNomani10. It'll be here on the screen and also in the description box for you guys to check out. So send me a picture if you guys get anything. I would love to see what you guys get. Be sure to shop my presets. They're also down below, and follow my social media. And I hope you guys like this video. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new here, of course, to stick around and be a part of the fam and all the stuff that I do. And yeah, I am so tired. I need to get this makeup off. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank. Let's chat. I just hit a mail.